You're listening to the BKBPS News Pod. Hello everyone and welcome back to the second episode of News Pod. I'm Devesh Khatwani and today we'll take you through exciting news updates that took place in the month of November. And not just that, we will also be going through a nostalgic song. So make sure to stick till the end and without wasting time, let's get into it. First, let us hear about the various news updates and students' phenomenal achievements, beginning with curricular updates by Anusha Kakkar.
Let's start with the secondary section. And they had their term 1 examinations and now standard 10th have their boards going on. All the best to everyone. We'll know you lace them. Body positivity. Sounds interesting, right? A webinar for the same was also conducted by the counselors to spread the word that all people deserve to have a positive body image regardless of the society and culture. Also, in the secondary section, 2 students led a community project named Toy Brings Joy, which was initiated by Abhinav Bhosekar and Pranav Nair from class 8th and was launched in the school assembly on 17th of November. English Week was also celebrated from 22nd to 28th November. Episode 3 on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav was also launched on the theme Champaran Satyagraha. Now let us hear about the primary section from Aditya Baste.
In the primary section, a session on nature poetry, vegetables and climate change was conducted by the popular nature author K.T. Bagal for class 5th. Also, Rutvi Jakula from class 4th got merit certificate and rank 112 in All India Open Mathematics Scholarship Examination. And Dikshant Totre from class 4th became champion of district level and first runner-up of state level in UCMES. Congratulations to the future mathematicians. Now I would invite Meher Chhabra to tell us about the pre-primary section.
I will not lie here. The students in the pre-primary live their life learning new values in a fun way. I really miss those days when I was in pre-primary. I remember listening to the hue and cry of my classmates, and even I was one of them. Coming back to this year, they had Object Talk in which they spoke about their favorite object. A storytelling event was also conducted online. Honestly, November for them would have been a new start after Diwali vacations and a chance again for performing in front of the teachers. Over to Aryan Rajan.
Without a further ado, let's have a sneak peek at the co-curricular activities too. Oh wow! Fit India Week was celebrated and students did yoga asanas and Surya Namaskar. After seeing this, I have started to believe in that saying, Yog kare, nirog rahe. Ha ha ha! Now, let's hear about sports from Sumed Gautam.
Sports has always been one of the most exciting activities preferred by students. In November, Aditya Dhakras from class 4th secured the 5th place in the U10 category in the monthly rapid chess tournament. Shriya Dalvi from class 2 achieved bronze medal in kickboxing sub-junior below 45.5 kg. Congratulations to both the students. Also, physical education practical tests were conducted for class 10th and 12th, which included several fun activities to determine the physical health of students after lockdown. Over to Anshika Singh.
Okay, so now let us go on a trip with some really beautiful memories and nostalgia through a song written by Devesh Khatwani and sung by Aditya Baste, Harina Utwani, Devesh Khatwani and Swara Joshi from class 9 on how the days... you just listen to this masterpiece.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखी है हमने वो दिन क्लासेस में प्रेजेंट करके फिर आंखों से आंसर करने के वो दिन
ना किसी मास की फिक्र थी स्कूल में, मस्ती की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों के नोट्स के दिन थे।
वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे,
वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे हो, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे। क्लासेस के बाहर वो बोर्ड पर सब्स्टिट्यूशन देखने के वो दिन हो, अटेंडेंस को बोर्ड के कोने पर लिखने की डन किसकी, ये थे वो दिन।
ना किसी टेम्परेचर की फिक्र थी स्कूल में, मस्ती की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों के नोट्स के दिन थे।
वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, हाँ वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, हाँ
वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे ओ, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
This gave me goosebumps. I'm so filled with nostalgia and memories. Finally, schools have reopened after more than a year. Now, I would hand over to Devesh Khatwani.
Finally, we have come to an end of this episode. Thank you so much for making it till here. I hope you enjoyed the news, the song, and we are looking forward to provide you even more awesome experience in the next episodes. For staying updated with our new episodes, make sure to subscribe and share it with your friends and family if you like this podcast. This is Devesh Khatwani signing off. See you next fortnight. Till then, adios.